Hey everyone, welcome back to the Joe Lifestyle. It's Joe once again, and the day has finally arrived. Our closets are about to finally get organized. You know, we ordered our closet organizer months ago, but because of this pandemic, we've had to wait quite a long time. So after months of waiting, this disaster is finally going to get cleaned up. I've pulled the doors off. We've got sliding doors that I've just pulled off just so you can see the entirety of the closet. Our closet came with these build-a-grade wire shelving, which are fine, but again, there's so much wasted space. Along the bottom there, everything's disorganized. We probably lost about 4 feet of space down there. And up top, we have the same thing, about another 4 feet worth of wasted space. We're going to do the same thing to the closet in our second bedroom. You can see I've already pulled off this wire shelving in this closet, but same thing in here. We've got a lot of wasted space at the bottom and the top. And now, what I have to do to prep for the guys that are coming in to install this closet organizer, I have to remove these annoying things, these holders and anchors. But first I have to remove these doors. And in order to do that, I have to take out this floor track. Ooh. Well, I'll just have to fill those with a little bit of putty. That doesn't matter. It's going to be a whole bunch of holes. God, check out those annoying things. I think these are one use only. Those are about 1/4 inch holes. The guy from Courtney Closets came in and just finished. It only took him about 3.5, 4 hours to finish both closets. Let me show you. Oh yeah, check that out. We're going to have lots of space. I think we're going to have about twice as much space as we did before. And check out these drawers. They're soft close, which is pretty standard these days. And the great thing is we get to use every inch of space here. We could easily store some stuff up there, no problem. We can throw some boxes up there so we don't lose that extra storage space. And right up there, I like how the top shelf has been receded so we can reach up there easily. All that stuff that we had jammed in the old closet is now fitting neatly into the new closet. They're conveniently located rods, one on top, one on the bottom, and one in the middle. And we haven't even made use of the upper shelf yet. And we also haven't made use of these drawers yet either. So we have all this extra space now. There's a similar but smaller setup for our second bedroom closet. But the best thing is these two rods that are now on top of each other will replace the rod that went from side to side. And same thing up top here, we've got the top shelf that we can use. We'll throw some more boxes up there. So now that we have all this extra space, it's like having a breath of fresh air. A big thank you to Courtney Closets for organizing our lives. I've posted the link below in the description box if you're interested. Thanks again for watching. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.